and I am from class 11 PCM. Today I am representing the topic set. Today this concept is being used in every branch of mathematics. The theory of set was discovered by the German mathematician Georg Cantor. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. Example, braces 1, 2, 3, 4, braces closed. There are two methods of representing sets. Method 1, roster form. Method 2, set builder form.
In roster form, all the elements are listed, and element is being separated by the commas and are enclosed within the braces. For example, braces 1 to 1, 2, 3, braces of.
Good morning everyone, my name is Aryan Vatwal of class 11 PCM. Today I am here to discuss about set builder. All the elements which possess a single common property is known as set builder.
Myself Sanchit from 11th PCM. Today I am here to discuss about the subtopic of the chapter sets, which is symbols. This is the symbol of belong, this is the symbol of not belong, this is the symbol of subset, this is the symbol of not subset.
Good morning everyone, myself Priyanshi Rana. I am Navya Bhatt and I am Ushmi Prithvi. Today we are here to explain the subtopic intersection of sets. This is the set A and its elements are 1, 2, 3 and 4.
This is the set B and its elements are 2, 4, 6 and 8. Let us now discuss about intersection of sets.
This is the symbol of intersection. Intersection means it defines the common element between two sets.
Can you guess the intersection of set A and B?
Speak loudly.
4. Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 2, 4.
Good morning students, myself Moksha. Her name was Devika and her name was Shivani. Today we will explain the subtopic of sets, which are union. The union is the set of two A and B are in the all elements which are in set either in set A or B.
Second, this is a set A are the example of braces 1, 2, 3. Those are the all elements of set.
This is the symbol of union.
This is the set B and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the elements of set B.
The answer of the union is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you.
The set of an
Good morning to us. Finite set. A set is called finite in which the number of elements in a set are countable. For example, set A 1, 2, 3, 4 or infinite set. A set is called infinite in which the number of elements in a set are uncountable. For example, set B like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc.
I want to tell you about the formula of subset, that is 2 की power n.
There are total 16 subsets.
Hello everyone, I am Bhavni Rawat of class 11 PCM and our topic is Bell's diagram, a visual representation of sets using circle inside a rectangular box representing the universal set is a Bell's diagram.
This is the set A 1, 2, 3, 4. B and its elements are 2, 4, 6, 8.
Set A 1, 2, 3, 4 and in set B 2, 4, 6, 8 and the intersection of it is 2 and 4. The common part and the common of it is 2 and 4. The rectangle is called the universal set and the circle inside it are sets, and the yellow part is the common among the both sets and it is 2 and 4.